Hey guys, what's up? I'm Jeremy from Tech Designs. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to go check out another awesome van. And I have my beautiful co-host with me. She's hopping like a bunny right now. She thinks she's a bunny. There it is. This Kendall, if you don't know, and check out this awesome Growing Up Garage shirt that she is rocking. And there's more information about that coming up. But behind me, we have this awesome, and what you would think is a 2008 and newer van, but you would be mistaken. This is actually a 07 and older van. And what we've done on this is we've done our complete fiberglass conversion on the front of this. And what that is going to consist of is it's going to be the two fenders, our hood, and this is one thing a lot of you guys, we get some questions about. So I want to show you this while we're talking about this. Is you can see the flare in the fender here. So the fender obviously has a flare, and what's really nice about this is also a four-wheel drive van. You can see you don't need to necessarily run like a bushwhacker fender, as this is going to give your tire a lot more coverage right there, which is going to be nice. So on this particular one, this whole van's going to get painted. So we've also done our grille on the front of this, and then we've also done our hood.
Hi guys, it's Caden Johnson, 91 from Growing Up Garage, and today we got our brand new merch. So my dad's going to tell you about the special that's going on.
Heck yeah, guys. So we want to promote Growing Up Garage, and we got shirts for the little kids. We got jackets or hoodies for the kids. We got awesome pink hats that Caden is rocking. And what we're going to do, guys, is anybody in the month of May who goes on our website and buys any Growing Up Garage item, for each item that you buy, you're going to be entered into a drawing, and at the end of May we're going to give you $300 in credit towards any of the Tech Designs products. Now here's the little trick in it: you can't combine this with our stimulus savings, so we're kind of doing two different things right there. But guys, check out Growing Up Garage, support what we have going on here and about kids learning. So if you guys like hanging out in the garage with your mom, your dad, your grandpa, whoever it may be, tell them you want a Growing Up Garage shirt, right?
Yeah.
Yeah? What do you think, Kendall? Yeah?
So always support Growing Up Garage.
All right, guys, so that's the deal. We'll see you guys later. So let me try to clear this up too. Another big question that we get asked all the time is, can you open this up to get more airflow in the hood? And yes, you can. You can totally cut this open right here and allow more air to go in. And now if you want, you can even put like a screen or wire mesh in there, and that's what I've done on my Toyota Tundra. And I just used some fiberglass resin and resined it in there, and it holds really nice. So that is another option if you want to get more air going into your engine compartment, especially you guys that have a diesel. This could be a really good option for you. So if you have a 2008 and newer van, you can run just the hood or just the fenders or combination of both. So this is going to work two ways, guys. If you have an older van, you want to convert your front end, so you can buy all the components, and we even have the brackets now available that bolt up to your core support that will bolt all this up together, which makes it, I'm not going to say that it's really easy. It's definitely time consuming and going to take a lot of like caressing and fine tuning, but that's body work and that's fiberglass. But it does all go together really nice, and allows you to have a newer front end on your van. And Austin's getting bit again by bugs. Watch out, there's killer wasps now. Haven't you guys heard? It's not about the coronavirus anymore. Next that's coming is killer wasps. I'm not joking, Google it, it's a true story. So, as we're hanging out in the front of this thing, you're gonna see a lot of other things that we have going on here as well. Is this awesome new front winch bumper. This is really nice. This is the do-it-yourself bumper, so this is the finished version. If you want us to completely build it, here's what it's going to look like, and here's what you're going to get. Or you can build this yourself. And remember that we have a sale going on still on this bumper right now. It could get cut off at any time, but I will tell you right now, and when this video comes out, still on sale. Take advantage of that. Depending on how you want it, you can save up to like $200 or $300. So check out that right now. We'll make sure I put a link. So as well, what we're doing is we're running all of our Light Force lights on there. These things are awesome. We know that we love running these Venoms, a nice driving light, and then all around, man, just everything. I love in the rain, you know, I use these things a lot. Most used light, I'm gonna say. These things are awesome. All right, then we have our HTX lights. These things are awesome and super bright, especially if you're going to be doing off-roading. And what's great about these is that you're gonna have the HID on the inside that's going to give you the distance, and then it's gonna have the LED on the outside. And how about this? I'm gonna do you guys another deal on these things, is when you go on to WeldTech Design's webpage and you buy a bumper, I'm gonna give you guys $100 off a pair of lights. So buy a bumper, get I'm just throwing out deals. You guys might want to just stay tuned for this whole video, because I don't even know the deals that I'm giving, and Austin's gonna have to keep track of them. But there it is, buy a bumper, get $100 off. Let's make it $150 off a set of lights. But in that whole purchase, you need to go on and buy an awesome, look at this shirt. Look at this, awesome Growing Up Garage shirt. So buy a bumper, buy a shirt, $150 off lights, boom. All right, what else do you guys want to see? Look at this bumper, skid plate all the way down. Here's something else that we've done. We also did a comparison video. We did a comparison video comparing a IFS to a straight axle front suspension in order to kind of talk about the differences between them. And you know, one of the big things I forgot about talking was maintenance costs on any four-wheel drive, maybe versus two-wheel drive. But anyways, guys, straight axle front end on here. We've added Fox steering stabilizers to the front of this, as well as Fox shocks at all four corners. Go ahead and take a look on that, and we'll walk around. We got Kendall's newer to the videos, you know, she's just hanging out. She's just here to look pretty and hang out with Dad. She loves Dad. She found the key. It's the key to my heart. Is that the key to my heart? All right, so straight axle front end, super cool. And I'll post a card now above. If you want to check out our straight axle IFS comparison video, you can do that there. So a lot of things going on this front bumper. We still have not put a winch on. Can't wait to do that. Lots of things. This build has been a lot of fun. Let's go check out what we did on the inside. Maybe we'll go check out the back first. All right, guys, so we're back on the rear bumper. This is our dual swing out rear bumper, and I have some really cool things coming for you guys on this bumper as well. If you would be interested in this bumper as a do-it-yourself bumper, DIY kit, let me know. Comment below. Hey, we want this in a do-it-yourself kit. What is nice about this rear bumper is there are no bends in the swingers. Well, I can't say that. We have two bends right here, up here, but that's it. You could easily fabricate that. But if you guys would be interested in us putting this together as a DIY kit, comment below. Let us know that you would love to see this in a do-it-yourself kit. And hey, maybe we'll make that available. We can ship you all the pieces and you can build it yourself. Or you can have us build it for you. So right now we have both of this locked open. We're running a 35-inch tire on these things, on these Method wheels. This is awesome. And then an Aluminess box on here as well in the back. Should we throw out another deal? Okay, a bumper. You want a rear bumper for your Ford. Dual swing bumper. Buy a shirt. I don't even have a Growing Up Garage. And I lost Kendall. I lost my model. She said it was way too hot out here. She was going inside. So buy a Growing Up Garage shirt, and we're going to give you guys, we're gonna put you in a, what's that called, a drawing? Yeah. Anything, if you buy a Growing Up Garage shirt in the month of May, we will put you into a raffle to win a $300 WeldTech gift certificate. Or if you just want to buy this bumper, and you buy the bumper and a shirt, $200 off. Yeah, we're just making deals. And if you guys want to know the reason behind the deals, it's not that we are trying to sell our stuff less expensive. Really what our goal is to keep all of our employees, Austin's getting attacked again. Oh, I got my model back. really what our goal in this is to keep all of our guys employed during this crazy time. That is our goal. And if we make less, that's fine. We're keeping our guys working, and that's what's really important because they all have families to feed as well. So I just want to thank you guys for all of your support. And now back to this van. All right, so we're running the Method Envy in bronze. This is going to be on a 17-inch wheel, 17 by 8.5, and then we're running a set of 35-inch tires on here. Now in the back, what we've done on this to get a lot better ride. Now keep in mind, guys, we did not do the lift on this. I don't know if this is like a Quigley. I don't know whose lift this is. It's got leaf springs in the front, so I don't know. The point is that if you have one of these vans and it has a lift on it and you don't like the ride that it has, we have options in order to build you a better set of springs for the rear to try to improve your ride overall. And now take this with a grain of salt. No matter what, a leaf spring front end, we're not going to get the best ride ever out of it, but at least that this is going to help tremendously by having a very progressive leaf pack in the rear, as well as a set of Fox shocks. So just doing things to help you guys out to try to make your vans ride nicer so that your family can enjoy them. So also on this, you can see that this is pre-us. This has an Aluminous ladder on this. Also the Aluminous roof rack, and then a Fiamma awning. That's the F45 awning, even though it's lost as decals. This thing is completely wrapped in blue, and when it goes back to Las Vegas, it's going to get painted. And you can kind of see they've got some craziness going on in here as far as a refrigerator and some seating in the back. We're also doing some ultra seat conversions for this, and I'll take you guys up to the front where we can show you the seats that we've also redone in this that turned out nice. So in this, you can see we've done our ultra seat conversion. This is something that you don't see a lot of times in the Fords. Although this already had a different set of seats other than factory, we were still able to rebuild them, do all of our trick, neat stuff to them, add the adjustable headrests, and increase the height of the seat just because this person that owns this van is a little bit taller. So that is just a nice feature overall when you're building out a van, to have a really nice, comfortable set of seats in your van. So here, how about another deal? Order a set of seats. We'll give you $100 off each seat if you order the ultra seat conversions. Dude, boom, deal. We'll have to do like code growing up garage. This is all about the kids. So I think as we kind of walked around all of this, it's still missing rock sliders. I think it needs a set of rock sliders on there. Who knows? Maybe that's what's next. We've been adding all kinds of fun stuff to this. So if I missed something, guys, please let me know. Comment below, say, hey, what about this you missed? I missed something, I don't know, because I can't think of it, otherwise I wouldn't miss it. I'd go talk about it, right? So I think I got everything on here, guys. If I did miss something, comment below. Let me know what you think about this van. I would love to hear what you think about the fiberglass conversion. Should we make the rear bumper a do-it-yourself bumper? You guys love the do-it-yourself front bumper, we know that. So thank you guys so much for watching, and if you're still watching at this moment, please smash that subscribe button for us. Boom, boom, boom. Ring that notification bell and give us 2 thumbs up. All right, guys? Thank you so much. I'm Jeremy from WeldTech Designs, and I will see you guys later.